Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's EzConnect Dryer Duct to Wall Connector. The expected installation time should be approximately 15 minutes, and the tools required are scissors or tin snips, a screwdriver, and 4 screws. We suggest using the appropriate type of screw and length for the material you are attaching the connector to. Separate the female wall connector piece from the male duct connector piece by pressing the 2 buttons on the side of the product and pulling the pieces apart. Using scissors or tin snips, cut the duct coming out of your wall so that it is flush with the wall surface. Next, insert the female wall connector into the duct and secure the connector to the wall by screwing it in place. Secure the end of the male duct connector onto the flexible duct coming from your dryer by turning the connector counterclockwise and threading it on until it grips the duct firmly. To complete the installation, push the male duct connector into the female wall connector until the button pops back into place. To clean and maintain the ductwork, simply separate the connectors by pressing the 2 buttons on the sides of the connector and pull the pieces apart. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.